Welcome back. In our previous videos, we mastered the basics of number systems, specifically the binary and hexadecimal systems. Today, we're taking the next step, exploring the addition operation within binary systems. Let's begin. In order to learn how to add in the binary system, let's take inspiration from the decimal system. Suppose we have two numbers, say 571, and we wanted to add 15. So we first write it in a structured manner, and then what we do, we start from our left and we add these two digits. If the digit exceeds 9, we take it as a carry. So similarly, 5 plus 1 is 6, so we write 6. Since there's no carry, good for us. We move to the second digit, so 7 plus 1 is 8, no carry, good for us. So we to the next digit, so here we have 0, right? 5 plus 0, 5, no carry, good for us. Similarly, we do in the binary system as well. Before moving on to binary, let's take one more example. So let's take 321, like some number where we can get the carry, we can feel the carry. So 321 and 19. So in this case, 9 plus 1 is 10, but in a decimal system we only have symbols from 0 to 9. So what we do, we write the first digit 0 in 10, and the second digit we take it as a carry. And 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4, so we write 4 as is, and 3 plus 0 is 3, so we write as is. So this concept of carry is important. So here, since in decimal system, deci, 10, and we already know that symbols exist only from 0 to 9. So if we have a 10, we have to write the first digit here and we have to take the carry. So now since we know how to do addition in the decimal system, binary system is easy. So let's discuss. So in order to add in the binary system, it's similar to how you would add in your decimal system. Say for example, you have two numbers. Say you have one number, your first number A is 1. Okay, this is in the binary system, that's why I write it as base 2. Okay, we have another number B, which is again 1, that's why we write it as base 2 over here. Suppose I wanted A plus B. So in order to do this, we will do the same addition that we done in the decimal system in the binary system. So 1, 1, right? So here in your decimal system, I'll explicitly mention that this is your binary system, otherwise you might get confused. So your 1 plus 1 in your binary system is nothing but 2, but we have to represent 2 in the binary system. So our 2 in the binary system, so our 2 in the decimal system is equal to 10 in the binary system. We know this, and we also know how to convert it, we have learned in the previous videos. So your 2 in the binary system is 10, so we write 10. Again, speaking that we are handling with binary systems. So this is how we add basic numbers in a binary system. So this A plus B will be our 10. So now let's see another example, a little bit more complex. So let's take A to be 1011. Let's take, and also we got to mention specifically it's binary. So let's take another example. So a number, so 0 1 1 1. Okay, so I think this is equivalent to, let me just try and convert this. So this will be your 1 plus 2 plus 8. Okay, so 8 plus 2 plus 1, so that this is nothing but your 11 in your decimal system, and this is nothing but your 4 plus 2 plus 1, so 4 plus 3, that is just 7 in the decimal system. So we are going to add basically 11 plus 7 in your decimal system, which is nothing but 1011 plus 0111 in your binary system. So let's add. So A plus B. Okay, so let's first write these two binary numbers in a structured manner. So let's take 1011 and 0111. Okay, let's keep this as binary and let's write it. So here 1 plus 1, we take this digit from the right just like normal addition. So 1 plus 1 here in binary is 1 0, which is nothing but 2. So we retain the first digit of 1 0, that is 0, and the second digit of 1 0, that is your 1, we take it as a carry bit to the next digit. Again 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, but 3 in binary is 1 1. So we retain the first digit 1 and we carry over the next digit, that is 1, over to our next addition. In here 1 plus 0 plus 1 is 2 in decimal, which is 1 0 in binary. So we retain 0 here and we carry over the 1, the second digit. Here again 1 plus 1 plus 0 is 2 in decimal and 1 0 in binary. So we write 1 0 in binary over here. So this is, so our answer to A plus B, that is 1011 plus 0111, is 10010, which is, I think we can convert this into the decimal system. So if I try to convert, I'll write it down here so that you can see. So this is your 1, this is a 2, okay, 4, 8, 16. So 16 plus 2, that is 18 in your decimal system, which makes sense because 11 plus 7 is 18, and therefore even if we represent this in the binary form, we still get the same answer. So this proves that what we've done is correct. So I can write it over here. So A plus B is 1 0 0 1 0 in your binary. So this is your answer. So we've looked into how decimals are added and how we can do binary addition similar to how we do it in the decimal system. So this is how we do addition in the binary system. So in order to lock on to this knowledge, please solve these 2 questions and answer in the comment sections. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.